How would you like to create a full app without needing to hire a developer? Whatever your dream app is, this software can do it for you. And so we're gonna use ChatGPT to really go over how to build this out. So I'm gonna put in a basic app for MVP to log meals and track daily calories. I'm gonna go ahead and send this. It's going to spit out my little feature list here. And once this is done, I'll just copy it into Zoer. All right, go ahead and look over this. Looks pretty good. Cool. Copy, paste. And as you can see, we have this. So we can actually change it to public or private. These are the integrations. We're going to use the database for Zoer. And then there are a few other options, like we can attach photos or enhance the prompt. We're not going to do that. We're just going to check this over real quick and show you how easy this is. All right, looks pretty good. And yeah, so we'll go ahead and send this off. And now it's building it out. So as you can see, we have our app here. It's going to kind of combine it into its own, I guess, enhanced features in a sense, breaking them down, what it's going to have, primary colors, layouts, and then we can start building the app if everything is solid. Looks pretty good. Yep. All right. I think this is all good. And boom. So now it's building it out. We pretty much don't have to do anything at this point. We might have some small edits here and there, but let's see what it does. So as you can see, it's already kind of laying it out, building the files. I mean, I'm completely hands-free. Like I don't type that fast, as you can tell. But as you can see, this is just doing its magic. So it is really quickly. I got some in my eye. So as you can see now, it's writing code. It just built the template. We have more files that it just built. You can see all of these that were just built. I mean, it's pretty much almost there. You can see, like, in a matter of a few minutes, I mean, look, it's already doing the build complete database, has all of the meals, the sessions, the user passwords. It is about to launch, which is pretty insane how quickly this was. Still waiting. I mean, you can see how quick this really went. I mean, literally a few minutes and we are about to launch. So it's giving me a preview. And right off the bat, like, you have a pretty good looking dashboard. You can see all of the daily goals listed here. We have meals, food. You can see another preview here, and we can kind of just have it all right there. So breakfast, lunch, snacks, dinner. We can add the different sections here. We can do some other suggestions if we want, but I mean, this is pretty solid for just a one-off MVP that we didn't have to do much for. So these were the suggestions that added. I just clicked continue, and now it's analyzing them. I mean, it does, you don't even have to think. It's pretty insane. So not only does it build for you, but it also makes the suggestions based off of what it thinks it should add to the project. So it's continuously writing code. It's going to update it here in a moment, and it's going to relaunch it. So it's going to take what we just have right here. Now it's going to make it even better. So here's the upgrade. Boom. It's an interesting color. I do like the little icons that did add, but I'm not a big fan of the color, but that's fine. I mean, we can obviously change that. This is the code, database, preview. You can see that it had a little login icon there, the dates from all sorts of different dates. Boom. Custom food. We can add the calories, the portion size if we want grams, slices, or ounces. We can add them right here. This is pretty awesome. I mean, we can deploy it. Are we going to deploy it? Let's deploy it. Boom. So now it's deploying. Boom. We are live. That's really how easy it is to set up. If we click this, you can see it is live and you can check it out for yourself. So definitely check it out for yourself, because this is how easy it is to deploy an app now with AI, and it does all the suggestions for you and it creates beautiful MVPs that can get you started right away. So definitely check it out. I'll see you guys on the next one.